In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Instagram connection. If your scheduled Instagram posts are failing, previews aren't loading, or you've recently changed your Instagram or Facebook password, a quick refresh often solves it. This process reestablishes the secure link between your Instagram account and Later, so everything keeps running smoothly. First, sign into your Later account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but I recommend using a desktop browser for the clearest view of all your options. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage multiple brands or clients. Being in the right place from the start will save you time later. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find Settings in the main navigation or account menu. If you're not sure where it is, look for a gear icon or a link labeled Settings. This is where you manage your account preferences, billing, and most importantly for today, your social connections. Inside Settings, click on Social Sets and Access Groups. This section organizes the social profiles connected to your Later account and controls who can access them. If you work in a team or have several profiles, this is also where roles and permissions are managed, which matters for refreshing connections. Now, locate your Instagram profile in the list. If you manage more than one, scan for the Instagram icon or the profile handle you want to refresh. Some accounts may be grouped together by brand or platform, so take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct profile to avoid refreshing the wrong one. With the correct profile selected, click Refresh Connection. This action tells Later to renew its authorization with Instagram, which can expire periodically for security reasons. During this process, you may be prompted to confirm access or sign in again, especially if your Instagram is a business or creator account linked to a Facebook page. If that happens, just follow the prompts and make sure you're using the correct login for the account you intend to refresh. It's a good idea to close any extra tabs where you might be logged into a different Instagram or Facebook account to prevent conflicts. After refreshing, you should see a confirmation or an updated status indicating the connection is active. From here, scheduled posts should resume publishing as expected, and features like hashtag suggestions, previews, and analytics will function normally. If the refresh doesn't complete or you don't see the option, check your access level in that social set, or ask an account admin to assist. You can also try signing out and back in, or contacting Later support for help. And that's it. A simple refresh keeps your Instagram connection stable and your workflow on track.